Hey everyone, what's up? This is an unboxing and a first impressions video of the new Xiaomi True Wireless earphones. The new package has just come to me. Looks pretty, good packaging. I don't have really any complaints, so I'm gonna just start by slowly undressing it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. So this is the main charging box that comes with the earbuds. I think the earbuds are going to be inside this. Let me just get it open. Yeah, so this is the charging box, and yes, the headphones are there. Let's just check what else is inside, if there's anything else. Okay, this section is empty, and is there anything here? I like what Xiaomi does with its packaging. I mean, it's very clean, and over the years I've learned to make sure that the products are also well placed in the box. So that's exactly what works for the brand. Okay, it's a charging cable. It's a Type-C this time, so something to look forward to. Apart from that, I don't think there's anything else. This is the instruction manual here, and yeah, that's about it. So without further ado, I think we can just chuck this thing right out and focus on this, the Mi True Wireless Earbuds 2. Now, in terms of design, yes, these might look very similar to what you've seen with the Apple AirPods, but aesthetically, I think the stem is much different from what we see on the AirPods. Now, for a perspective, I don't really have the AirPods with me, but I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which is also an in-ear earbud. Comes at almost 8,000 rupees in the Indian market. So in terms of size, there is a lot of difference. In terms of aesthetics and shape, yes, you will see difference, but I think Xiaomi thought that this design philosophy might work for them. So just taking you through the design, I'll just keep this aside for the minute. Apart from that, it does not have a noise cancellation, active noise cancellation for music, which is a big bummer for me. It does have a feature which cancels out the noise for voice calls when you are making a call in noisy environments. It does make sure that the external sound is well, it's suppressed, but nothing for music. That was a surprise. Battery life is something that the company says is going to be 14 hours if you combine both of these, like the charge in the stick and also in the box. So I think 14 hours should do you fine. It does not support any wireless charging. It does come with a Type-C USB port, and the company said it will take 65 minutes to charge the entire box and the earbuds. So in 65 minutes you can get a full charge, and after that 14 hours of playtime, which is pretty decent, I feel, in comparison to the other wireless earbuds out there. There is a button to pair it with a smartphone right here, as you can see. Yeah, that's the button. And sorry, yeah, there it is. So guys, the next part of this video is where I'm going to show you how to pair the new Xiaomi Mi Earphones 2 with a Xiaomi and a non-Xiaomi smartphone. So first we will take the Xiaomi smartphone. This is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now what happens is, you have to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. So here you can see it's turned on. If it's off, it will show this notification. If it's on, just turn it on. And when you turn it on, just press and hold. You will get an option of all the Bluetooth devices that you can pair with right here, available devices. And once you open the charging box, automatically now there's a feature in Xiaomi that you should get a notification here when the box open or when you're trying to charge. Now when you're trying to charge, just hold this button down, the white button that you see here. Yeah, just hold it down. You will see a white light blinking, as you can see there. This is an indication that the device is ready to pair. Just refresh There you see the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. Just press and then you will get a notification whether you want to pair it or not. Now, in terms of privacy, it will require access to your contacts to make calls and everything, so you just make sure you click that one and pair. And here we have it. Pairing is complete. It's right now, as you can see, just shift the light, 60% battery remaining. See, that's how easy it is. And now if you're trying to connect them to a non-Xiaomi smartphone, the process really isn't that different from what I showed you before. This is an iQOO 3. We'll do the same thing here, trying to connect the phone. Just pan the camera. Yeah, so process is the same. Go to Bluetooth. Right now there is no Xiaomi device showing, right? So what you do, open the box, press down on the button till the white light starts flashing. There it is. And as soon as it does that, it's searching for device. I'm sure it will appear. There it is. Just tap on the Mi True Wireless Earphones. The device will start to pair, and voila, it's that simple. So this is how you pair the True Wireless Earphones from Xiaomi.